Hello everyone, Adi Simion, Coldwell Banker. Today I want to talk about residential care for the elderly. This is a business that I've seen it over and over in California. A lot of landlords that have properties and they're getting for their lease, maybe $4,000 or $5,000 a month to lease the property to a family. Now they're turning around and they are furnishing these homes. They are adding some things for an older people to live there, bars to hang on and maybe different type of showers, and they are converting them into a residential care for the elderly facilities. So in California the norm is about 6 beds, but you can go, I believe, up to 8 or more depending on the area you live in, and you can actually rent your property to a business that does that. You're normally going to get a lot more rent. They normally rent it for 5 years rather than your normal 1 or 2 years for a family because it's a business. So they want to make sure if they invest and do some things to the property to accommodate older people to live there, they want to make sure they have at least 5 years rental. So that's good for you because you're going to rent the house for 5 years. You don't have to deal with making new leases, and you get a lot more for the lease. You actually can end up getting twice as much for the lease. So that's a good deal. That's something to think about if you have a investment property and it's not bringing enough money for you. So other than that, you can actually run the business. You can apply for the business and you can run it yourself. This elderly are paying, their families are paying about anywhere between $4,000 to $8,000, even $12,000 in some areas I've heard, to be cared for the whole month. So it's $4,000 to $12,000 a month from one person. Imagine having 6 or 8 or 10. Just do the math. It's a very good profitable business. You just have to educate yourself and see how it works. The easier way, just find businesses that are looking for homes to rent and do that. So that's what I had to say for today. A couple of ways of increasing the money you're getting for your lease property. Have a good day now. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please click the link below and subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to watch your comments. And if you have a particular subject that you want me to cover, please comment in the section below. Thank you.